Welcome to Chicago Stories. Today we're taking you on a boat tour, but first the Cubs. On our way to the baseball field.
So take me out to the ballpark.
Take me out to the ball game.
I say park.
Be sure to know what gate to go to and where to go if you have a backpack. Very important safety tip. If you have a backpack like me, you go to gate 16 with your backpack. Do not go into the regular gate, or you'll be doing what I'm doing, just walking around to the other side of the stadium to check my bag or whatever I need to do. So there you go. Lori's ticket was scanned, so I had to find her inside here. Now I know for next time, gate 16. Yeah, now we're together. We weren't very hungry, but we'll save that for another video. We wish we had room for a Chicago dog. We're late, but we made it. One of the things you have to do when you're in Chicago is go to a Cubs game.
And get there a little bit early.
This is obligatory.
And it's amazing how many people are not even seated yet, though.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and allow yourself a lot of time to get here, because that took a while. It was pretty easy to get tickets last minute. The seats we had were just behind the dugout. They were less than $120 a piece. And you have to go to Wrigley at least once in your life. Take me out to the ball game.
So,
Let's sing that eventually.
A sunny day at Wrigley Field.
Yeah, not so bad. It is super fun to go see the Cubs. It's a great way to spend an afternoon. And you can even sing a little bit. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. What a crowd. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the We started to head for an Uber after the 8th and to see what was going on, and there's a lot of stuff happening outside. So it's not just about the Cubs game, this is a full-on party. If you need a lift, you're gonna have to walk a few blocks away though. Found the Chicago Fire Department, that's pretty cool, I would say. And now the most important thing, you want to walk Addison and get between Broadway and Halsted to catch a cab. We did not go the right way. Here we are in Chicago, walking the streets, not far from Wrigley Field. Yeah, it's for rent. And the buildings look like brownstones. They're kind of cool too. We had headed north instead of south. And yeah, it was a pretty place to walk, but not a great way to get a lift.
I was looking at the tulips.
So plan your exit in advance. We have found our way to the, where are we?
I believe we were at Navy Pier. So we're heading to Navy Pier.
This is the Navy Pier.
No, but we have to go around this corner.
Oh, okay, we have to go around the corner of the Navy Pier. You will need a little more time than we had to check out Navy Pier. A lot more time. So plan ahead. On our way to the Chicago cruises, we're going to do a river tour right before sunset.
So we're actually doing the architectural tour.
Yes, we're going to get to see some pretty badass architecture. We were told Chicago Line Cruises is the original boat tour. So we're walking along the pier, and there's a lot of cool stuff around here. You have your choice of awesome cafes along this stretch.
Hey Chuck, that's a pop, by the way.
Going boating on the Chicago River.
Yeah, so we're going on an architectural boat cruise.
Gonna check out some cool structures. Right around sunset too, so the lighting should be really nice to us, unlike it is right here where Lori's face is lit up by the sun because it's beaming on us right now.
So we're gonna get to see all the cool buildings along the river.
Yeah. You want to arrive at the dock about 30 minutes early. The entire tour lasts about an hour and 30 minutes, and dress accordingly because it gets chilly. We were advised to sit towards the back of the boat, but we chose the bow. Boarding.
Finally board now.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Good to be here. We are on the boat, and we have beer. Cheers.
Cheers.
So, actually, it's Goose Island 312, if you were wondering, which is a local favorite. But
Really cool.
yeah, there is a bar. It's a cash bar. You can buy up to 2 drink tickets in advance if you choose to. We did not, but you can. And there's free lemonade and water, too.
And there's also a bathroom, which is important.
And there's El Baño. Our guide offered plenty of information along our tour.
The first building on our left with a little bit of like golden window, little brass plates. That is called Sears Tower, just completed in 2021. A studio apartment of about 650 square feet goes for about $3,300 a month.
The tour isn't just about buildings, it's bridges too. And the Chicago bridges, yeah, they all lift.
More importantly, this is the world's tallest building designed by a female architect. Yes, and a bridge connects them on the 14th floor. The building was about to be released in the second building.
One low bridge.
Okay.
Very low bridge.
Different shades of white, and the Kennedy family bought it for $13 million back taxes.
This isn't how it's supposed to be.
You sure your phone's fully charged and you have lots of room? Because there's a lot of photo ops. The buildings on the Chicago River are super cool. It's like, and look how close the bridge is. Look at this.
I know.
And when it was first built, it was symmetrical. But due to the bridge ahead of us, they had to remove an entire booth on the left-hand side. Now this is a warehouse, and that wasn't really popular back in the day. Chicago was a very industrial town, and had a lot of warehouses. That was one of the last warehouses along the river. We will see a lot more warehouse-style buildings on the North Branch. You go to the side of the building, the Y-shape. Doesn't it feel like it's going to topple over on a strong gust of wind?
Very interesting views.
Yeah, the architecture's spectacular. I love the bridges though, the old rusty bridges. They're so badass.
And I'm telling you, you don't remember. Oh, movie.
Which movie?
My Best Friend's Wedding.
My Best Friend's Wedding.
Yes. They're on the boat, they go under a bridge, and he's talking about his relationship with Cameron Diaz. He says,
Kimmy says if you love someone, you say it.
and then she looks at the guy and she doesn't say it.
Oh,
It's a famous scene, you have to watch it, and it happened on this river.
wow. They're going under a bridge.
Go
Go to the bridge. I love you.
I love you too. And then
Mushy moment.
he sings that song.
Someday, when I'm awfully low and the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you.
Just the way you are.
Tonight.
That's awesome.
And they dance on the bridge deck. I don't think I'm gonna do that.
Nice.
With each word, your tenderness grows.
This is an AMA building designed by Mies van der Rohe.
That's crazy. The park.
That's really cool.
It scares me.
Building he designed, and unfortunately he passed away before he even
I
caught.
like they saw that somewhere else.
On this side of the river on the left-hand side, you can walk for 1.25 miles in the unobstructed park. Each section of the river walk is a different theme. This one is
This was Tracy's idea. She lives in Chicago. She's an old friend of mine, actually.
So I
It's her idea.
So I think it's fun and informative.
It's very cool. Architecture of Chicago.
100 acres of land.
That we said goodbye too soon.
Subscribe, click that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.